Hey guys, back for another Ismer. Today I heard this weird sound outside, so let me go check this out. You guys heard that? I heard a door. Comment down below if you know what door that is. Gotta go see it outside. None of these doors are closed, except that's my aunt's room. Who's in here? Who's in here? Who is this? I can't even hear you talk. Talk louder. Who are you? Do you see anything? I see nothing. All I see is the floor. Who is this? Open the door. There's someone else in there. Or is that Sniper Wolf? He's watching a Sniper Wolf video. Comment down below what you think will happen if I open that door. But I have lock bean tools here. I'm not going to use them. I was reading till I heard a weird sound outside. Let's go check it out again. Door's still locked. Who's here? Okay, I'm going to grab my lock picking tools. I'll use this. Oh, I almost dropped it. And this little dude. That's me videoing. Okay, I got these two tools. And it can open the door. It's still locked. I dropped my other tool. Let's see. Guys, where's my other tool? I dropped it. Guys, it's gone. I don't know what happened to it. It fits right in. This hole is huge. It can't fit in. It's not working, guys. I need stronger and bigger tools. I'll see you guys on the update when something bad happens. Bye, guys.